As the year unfolds, many people find themselves reevaluating various aspects of their lives, and for MTF, male to female, crossdressers, this often includes revisiting their wardrobe. The journey of embracing one's true gender identity is deeply personal, and clothing plays a crucial role in this process. Whether you're just beginning your transition or well along the path, keeping a well-organized wardrobe that reflects your style and personality is essential. Decluttering your wardrobe can not only simplify your daily routine but also enhance your confidence by ensuring that every item you own aligns with who you are today. Before diving into the physical task of decluttering, it's important to take a step back and reflect on your personal style. Over time, your taste in clothing may have evolved as you've become more comfortable in your gender expression. Start by identifying the styles that resonate most with you. What outfits make you feel the most confident and feminine? Do you gravitate towards certain colors, patterns, or silhouettes? This process of self-discovery is crucial because it sets the foundation for the decisions you'll make as you sort through your wardrobe. Creating a style inspiration board can be a helpful tool during this phase. You can use platforms like Pinterest to collect images of outfits that you love or create a physical board with magazine cutouts. This will help you visualize your style and ensure that your wardrobe is aligned with the look you want to achieve. As you begin sorting through your clothes, it's essential to consider the purpose of each item. Ask yourself if the clothing in question serves a specific role in your life. Is it versatile enough to be worn in different settings, such as casual outings, work environments, or evening events? Does it align with your lifestyle and the activities you regularly engage in? For example, if you have a lot of formal wear but rarely attend formal events, it might be time to reevaluate whether you need to keep all those items. On the other hand, if you find that you're lacking in everyday essentials, such as comfortable tops or casual dresses, this is something to take note of as you plan your wardrobe moving forward. One of the most challenging parts of decluttering is deciding what to let go of. Over time, we often accumulate clothing that no longer serves us, whether due to changes in size, style, or simply because the item no longer feels right. It's important to be honest with yourself during this process. Start by pulling out items that you haven't worn in the past year. If you've gone through multiple seasons without reaching for a particular piece, it's a strong indication that it may no longer have a place in your wardrobe. Additionally, consider the emotional attachments you may have to certain items. While it's perfectly normal to feel sentimental about clothing that holds memories, it's also important to consider whether these pieces are still relevant to your current life. If they're not, it may be time to let them go. To make this process easier, create a donation or resale pile for items that are still in good condition. This way, you can pass on clothing that no longer serves you to someone who might find joy in it, while also creating space in your wardrobe for pieces that better reflect your current style. Once you've decided which items to keep, the next step is to sort your wardrobe by season. Separating your clothes into seasonal categories, spring, summer, and fall, winter, can make it easier to access the items you need throughout the year. This method also helps you see what you have for each season, making it easier to identify any gaps in your wardrobe. For example, as you transition into warmer months, pack away heavy winter coats and sweaters, storing them in a way that keeps them protected but out of the way. When the seasons change, simply rotate your wardrobe, bringing out the stored items and packing away out-of-season clothes. This practice not only keeps your wardrobe organized but also makes it feel fresh and new each season. In addition to sorting by season, it's also helpful to organize your clothing by garment type. Group similar items together, such as tops, bottoms, dresses, and outerwear. This makes it easier to see what you have at a glance and can streamline the process of putting together outfits. Don't forget to organize your accessories and shoes as well. Having your jewelry, bags, and footwear neatly arranged and easily accessible will save you time when getting dressed and can inspire new outfit combinations that you might not have thought of otherwise. As you declutter and organize your wardrobe, you may start to notice that certain key pieces are missing. Perhaps you've realized that you need more versatile basics, or maybe you're lacking in statement pieces that can elevate your outfits. Now is the time to create a shopping list of these missing items. When shopping for new pieces, prioritize quality over quantity. Investing in high-quality items that fit well and make you feel confident is far more valuable than filling your wardrobe with fast fashion that may not last. Consider your lifestyle and personal style when selecting new items, and aim to choose pieces that complement what you already have. For MTF Crossdressers, it's also important to consider gender-affirming clothing that aligns with your identity and provides comfort and confidence. Whether it's lingerie, shapewear, or everyday basics, make sure that the pieces you choose help you feel your best. While it's important to focus on your core style, don't be afraid to explore new trends and looks for 2024. Fashion is constantly evolving, and trying out new styles can be a fun way to keep your wardrobe fresh and exciting. Research upcoming trends and see if any resonate with you. Whether it's experimenting with bold colors, new silhouettes, or statement accessories, allow yourself the freedom to try something new. Incorporating a few trendy pieces into your wardrobe can breathe new life into your style and keep your look current. Decluttering your wardrobe isn't a one-time event, it's an ongoing process. To keep your wardrobe organized and functional, it's important to establish a maintenance routine. Set aside time every few months to review your wardrobe, assess what's working, and make any necessary adjustments. In addition to regular reviews, proper storage techniques are essential for maintaining the longevity of your clothes. Invest in garment bags for delicate items, use shoe racks to keep your footwear organized, and consider using drawer organizers for smaller accessories. By taking care of your clothing, you'll ensure that your wardrobe stays in great condition and serves you well throughout the year. Your wardrobe is more than just a collection of clothes, it's a reflection of your journey as an MTF crossdresser. As you declutter and organize, take a moment to celebrate how far you've come and how your style has evolved. Each piece of clothing you choose to keep should make you feel confident, feminine, and true to yourself. Remember that your wardrobe is a tool for self-expression. It should empower you to present yourself in a way that aligns with your gender identity and makes you feel beautiful. By curating a wardrobe that reflects your true self, you'll be better equipped to navigate the world with confidence and grace. Decluttering your wardrobe is a powerful way to take control of your style and ensure that every item you own reflects who you are in 2024. By identifying your favorite styles, considering the purpose of each item, and letting go of pieces that no longer serve you, you'll create a more streamlined and functional wardrobe. Organizing by season and garment type will make it easier to find what you need, while shopping for missing pieces will help you fill in any gaps. Don't forget to explore new trends, maintain your wardrobe regularly, and, most importantly, embrace your feminine journey. As you embark on this wardrobe decluttering process, remember that it's not just about getting rid of clothes. It's about creating a space that supports and affirms your identity. Finally, we would like to express our gratitude for watching till the end. We hope you found the video valuable and informative. If so, please show your appreciation by hitting the like button and leaving us a comment below. We are eager to hear from you. In the end, we have a humble request to you. We are trying hard to keep you enlightened and empowered by creating awesome videos like this. Please support us by joining our membership program. The link is in the description. Your little contribution will inspire us to make more awesome content for you like this. The next video will be published tomorrow, so don't miss it. Till then, take care. More wisdom, more solutions, better life.